How to send money from Cash app to Chime. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Cash app, then open up your profile by clicking on the top right hand side corner and scroll down. Over here you can see the option of linked banks. Just simply select it. Now click on this option of link debit card. Here you can provide your Chime card's details and add it. In case if you don't have Chime card, then just simply select the option of no card. Then wait for it to load. After that, click on continue. And here you will be able to see the option of Chime. In case if you are not able to see it, just simply search for it and then you will be able to see it. After that, select Chime over here. Then wait for it to load and click on continue to log in. This way you would be requiring your Chime credentials in order to log in, and this way you would be able to connect your Chime account with your Cash app account. Now whenever you will try to cash out the money from your Cash app, then you would be shown the option of Chime. Just select it and type the amount that you want to transfer, and this way you would be able to transfer the money from your Cash app to your Chime account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.